Okay, so you're wondering if you can buy calls on Wealthsimple. Well, before we dive into that, let's talk about what a call option is and why you might want to use it. Imagine you're interested in a particular stock, but you're not sure if it's the right time to buy. A call option gives you the right to buy that stock at a certain price, the strike price, before a certain date, the expiration date. So, if the stock price rises above the strike price before the expiration date, you can exercise your option and buy the stock at the lower one price. If the stock price stays below the strike price, your option expires worthless. 1. www.numerade.com www.numerade.com. Now, let's get back to your question. Can you buy calls on Wealthsimple? Yes, you can. Wealthsimple offers a variety of options trading strategies, including buying calls. Here's how to do it. Log into your Wealthsimple account. Click on the Trading tab. Select Options. Choose the stock you want to buy a call option for. Enter the strike price and expiration date. Click Buy. Of course, there are some risks associated with buying calls. The most significant risk is that the stock price may not rise above the strike price before the expiration date, in which case your option will expire worthless. Additionally, call options can be expensive, so it's important to do your research before buying one. With that said, buying calls can be a great way to speculate on the stock market. If you're confident that a particular stock is going to rise in price, buying a call option can be a good way to leverage your investment. I hope this helps. And remember, always do your research before making any investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.